In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website's header transparent using the Wix editor, helping you achieve that sleek and modern look for your website. Whether you're setting up a new site or just looking to refresh your existing design, making the header transparent can give your site a more spacious and contemporary feel. To get started, first, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. Ensure you're using the correct credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, head directly to the editor for your site. This is where all the magic happens, and you can make both large and small changes to your website's layout and design. Now, focus your attention on the top section of your site. That's where your header is located. To select the header, simply click on it. You may find that you need to click a second time to ensure the right menu pops up. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the functions that will help you modify the header. After selecting the right element, keep an eye out for the menu options that appear. One of these will be the Change Header Design option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of settings that you can adjust to customize your header to your liking. Moving on, it's time to adjust the background to achieve that transparent effect. Within the header design settings, look for options related to Fill Color and Opacity, or simply Background Settings. The wording might vary slightly. Once you're there, you'll want to set the opacity to 0%. By doing this, you effectively make the header see-through, letting any background content shine through and adding to that modern aesthetic. For those of you using themed headers, Wix also offers a selection that you can work with. Here, you have the choice to go with No Color from the themed headers, or you might find a None preset option. Selecting either will remove the default background color, completing the transparency effect. And there you have it, a beautiful, transparent header that elevates your site's design. This simple adjustment can really open up the look of your page, giving your visitors a seamless and engaging experience. Remember, if you make any mistakes or want to try something different, you can always go back and adjust these settings. Have fun experimenting with different looks until you find one that perfectly represents your brand style. Thank you for watching and following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy-to-follow website design tips. See you in the next video, where we'll tackle more ways to enhance your website's aesthetics and functionality.